Hi, grade fours. Oh dear. I'm so sorry that I said when I did the half sums that I said, good morning, grade threes. It's terrible, hey? You are not grade three anymore. You are proper grade four children. Now, fractions. I'm going to have a short lesson. I hope. When I start talking, I love maths so much that I never stop talking when I'm busy with maths. So it is a really exciting subject for me, and I love maths. So please forgive me when I start talking. I don't like to stop. This is always so lovely. Right, now fractions. Fractions means it is only something is divided into fractions or pieces. Now, here you can see a lovely pizza. I hope it focuses nicely. And here, remember the other day I said we don't get numbers that you cut in pieces. You can't cut a number in pieces, but you can cut a pizza in pieces. So this pizza is divided into two pieces, and one of the pieces has been eaten, but there's still another piece left. This pizza has been divided into how many pieces? Two pieces. So it was shared or is being shared between two people, because maybe you and your mom or you and your brother had each had a half, and you ate yours first, and your brother is waiting till yours is done and then he can eat his. Now, sometimes it happens like that. So, in this case, this is a fraction. This is half. Now, remember we did the half sums. When you divide something into two, when you have pictures, yes, you cut it. Or when you have a real pizza or a real apple or a real piece of cake, you can cut it in pieces. But numbers, you cannot cut into pieces. But you can see there, this pizza is divided into two pieces. It means something is divided into two pieces there. So this bottom number, you must always remember, we call it it means that it is divided into two pieces. I'm just going to change this paper to the yellow one quickly. So I'm sorry, because this is now going to be used. The green one is going to be used. I'm going to turn it over, and then you must see the green one, not the yellow one. The yellow one is for the Afrikaans kids. So there's another pizza. If you look carefully, you can turn it anyway because it's a circle. This pizza has been divided into three pieces. 1, 2, 3. Two pieces are eaten and one piece is left. So 1/3 is left. See? Okay. So the same with this pizza. This pizza has been divided into quarters. Remember, when you divide something in 4, you will say you divide it into quarters. I hope you can see that. Quarters, yeah. Okay. Then the next one. This pizza has been divided into 5 pieces. Let's see. 1, I start with the colored piece, or the piece that is left. The others are eaten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is divided in 5 pieces. 1/5 is left. So when a number or a pizza or a piece of cake or anything has fractions, when you use numbers, you will always divide in 3. You've done the halves already. So that means you divided the number you've done in 2. Divide by 2 is when you half. When you get thirds of something, you divide by 3. When you get quarters of something, you get 4. You divide your number by 4. If you have 1/5, if your pizza has been divided in 5 pieces, or your number, even if it's 1354, if it's divided, you must find the 5th of that number. You will divide that. So when you say a third, you write it like that. When you have a 5, you write it like this. 5th. Okay? So please think about that. When you have fractions, you divide something in equal pieces. I'm going to gather this and going to show you quickly. There are more. I'm going to work with 3 quickly. There is, I'm going to move that so that you don't get confused. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/6 is left. See? This one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1/7 is left. This one. Eight. 1/8 is left, or it's the colored part you will see later on also. 9th, 1/9. Can you see? Fractions. 1/9. I'm going to move that away. The 10th. It's divided into 10 pieces. This one is divided into 11 pieces. One piece or one part is colored. 12 pieces. So fractions. I'm going to use the 10 maybe, or the 5th. I'll find the 5th quickly for you. The 5th. So you will see now when I have this paper, turn this paper over, you will see I have fractions poster for you, and it will be added to your lesson as an attachment. You will see, if you look clearly, you will see there's one not colored, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colored, and then there's an 8th piece. So this circle has been divided into 8 pieces. 7 of the 8 pieces has been colored in or eaten, or the other way around, it doesn't matter. So the top number, the bottom number, is the number of pieces something is divided into, and the top number is the number of that, the total number, the part of the total number that's been taken away, or that's been eaten, or that's been colored in, or something. So 7/8 are colored in, and 1/8. 1/8 is not colored in. Okay, so the top number is the shaded parts. So we do say it is the number that has been colored in, the shaded parts. So this is the numerator. And the number, this shape, or pizza, or piece of cake, or whatever it is, the D, the number that it is been divided into. This pizza has been divided into 8 pieces. Okay, so the D means it's been divided into those pieces. So the bottom number is the denominator, because it is the denominator. I'm sorry, the pen is rather thick, so I can't fit it in properly. So it is the number of parts that make the whole. So actually 8/8 would make a whole. See? So the top number, which is the shaded parts, 7/8, is the numerator, and the circle or the pizza was divided into 8 pieces. D for divide, denominator, 8 pieces. So I want you now to make your own little picture or your own little poster. I made a terrible circle, but I want you also to make a circle like this. Try to, or find a cap of a milk bottle or something to make a circle, and try, just, it doesn't have to be perfect, and try to divide it into 4 pieces. So it's quite easy. Draw a line in the middle and a line in the middle, and then we are going to shade 3 pieces. So this circle has been divided into 4 pieces, just like this pizza has been. But now you will see the 3 parts has been eaten, but this 3 parts has been colored in. But either way, this pizza and this horrible little circle has been divided into 4 pieces. So it has been divided into 4 pieces, which is the denominator. And the shaded part is 3. So you will see 3/4 were colored in. Okay, and then we're going to stop there. Attached will be a few half sums, but you just underline there, and we will carry on with our fractions here. So thank you. Grade 4s, not grade 3s. So I hope you've forgiven me already, and I love you and I miss you guys, eh? Okay, see you again.